Welcome back, guys. Here we are at the 11-month mark of our 23-way spray coatings and sealants longevity test, with only 1 month to go until we end this one and do an in-depth decon wash to see if it brings anything back from the dead. Spring is here in Texas, as is the pollen and the rain, as you can see here. So as usual, we'll go ahead and foam everything down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it with an Australian sheep's wool wash mitt, and then rinse to inspect the hydrophobic properties before we dry everything off. As always, the last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that this hood has seen, is on your screen here. And if you'd like to support the channel, all you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below to help out the algorithm, and if you have any experience with any of these products. If you do plan on purchasing any of them, please consider doing so through the links in the video description, as it really does help the channel out so you can continue to see tests like this one. That's how this channel makes its money. So if you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of each of these videos, as there's a ton of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are looking. Griot's 3-in-1 spray and New Finish Graphene, both of those doing pretty well considering we're almost a year in. Griot's, typically you're going to see around 8 months to a year is what we've seen. So Adam's Advanced Spray, that's going to be our first failure. There's just a little bit hanging on, but it's enough where we're going to call it failed. Everything on that row's failed. Moving on down to Avalon King Boost. We're going to call that one failed. Avalon King does have a new version of that product out. This version was very difficult to install, so still has a decent lifespan at nearly a year. And Geon Evo Can Coat, pretty impressive. That's most likely, at least before the decon wash, that's probably going to be the winner, with Griot's and New Finish being the other two. So that would be our top three most likely. Again, we have 1 more month left. Yeah, Avalon King Boost, you know, it's there's a little bit left, but I think it's enough where we're going to just call it failed at this point. 11 months, still not bad, but yeah, you can see it. The water sticks on it a long time before it finally breaks away. But yeah, short and quick update for you guys this month. It looks like we're down to a top 3. So next month, we will do 1 more update with this hood and then do a decon before we strip all the decals off and repolish it, prepare it for a next test. So 11 months for Adams, 11 months for the old Avalon King, which no longer exists. Now they have a version 2. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.